Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a DIY Vajacial. If you don't know what a Vajacial is, it's basically just a facial that you do downstairs on your lady parts, if you know what I mean. Wink wink. So to make my mask, what I did was I put a whole grapefruit into my NutriBullet, made a puree with that. I wanted all natural ingredients, so I also used about a cup of oats. I added some honey, and then I also used about half of lemon, and I wanted to use all natural products since, you know, it's going to be going down there, so I didn't want to use any chemicals or anything like that. So stay tuned for the process. Okay, so I'm going to be demonstrating on the side of my leg. The first thing you want to do is take a pair of tweezers and tweeze out any ingrown hairs that you might have down there. And the next thing that I did is I just took a cleanser. It's a charcoal cleanser from Bath and Body Works, I think, and you want to clean the area really good. The next thing you want to do is exfoliate. I'm using my Shea Moisture coffee scrub, I think it is. And you want to exfoliate so you can get rid of any dead skin, any more ingrown hairs that you might have missed, and also open up your pores for the mask. I made my mask very thick just due to gravity. I knew I was going to be standing up when I recorded this video, so I didn't want it like sliding all over the place, falling on the floor. So I added some extra oats just for the purpose of this video. So you want to just apply a layer of your mask onto your skin, as you see me doing here. I'll give you guys a close-up in a second just so you can see how it actually looks. This mask really smelled so amazing, and I don't even like grapefruit, but it smelled so good. Okay, so after about 15-20 minutes, you want to just wipe your mask off. If you do use honey, make sure that you wipe it off really good. Last but not least, I just applied some of my dark spot corrector. It's a Pond's moisturizer that I use on my face, and I was done.